Let's take a look at job analysis methods. 5 commonly used methods of job analysis include the use of questionnaires, interviews, diaries, observations, and subject matter expert panels. Valid and reliable questionnaires are available for use in the job analysis process. A questionnaire can be given to many different people in order to analyze a job in question. Questionnaires have certain advantages. They're a quick way to get information, they're usually easy to quantify, relatively low in cost, generally valid and reliable, and there's no need for a trained interviewer or observer to participate. The disadvantages are incomplete responses, responses that are hard to interpret, and low response rates are possible if there's no supervisory follow-up. Another available method is the job analysis interview, in which questions are usually asked of the incumbent and the answers are compiled into a profile of the job. Advantages include that the incumbent is the most familiar person with the job. They can also include qualitative data. It allows the interviewer to follow up. They're simple, quick, and more comprehensive, and they explain the need for analysis. But some disadvantages include the fact that interviews are dependent on a trained interviewer as well as designed questions. Workers may also exaggerate their job duties, and they can be time-consuming and not the most cost-effective. With a log, the worker maintains a log or diary in which the employee writes down the tasks accomplished while going about the job. Some advantages include the participatory form of analysis. We can collect data as it happens. The worker knows the job and what's important, and it's useful for jobs that are difficult to observe. However, disadvantages include our reliance on the workers writing down all job-related tasks. The worker may rely on memory of things earlier in the day. That results in information distortion, and data is not a standardized format. We can also use observation of the person at work, in which the observer shadows the worker and logs tasks that the worker performs over a period of time. Advantages include the first-hand knowledge, allowing the analyst to see the work environment, reducing information distortion, and the relatively simple use of the process. Disadvantages include the observer affecting job performance, inappropriate, significant mental effort being put in, may lack the validity and reliability of other methods, it's time-consuming, and requires a trained observer. These methods are not certainly the only methods of job analysis, and they might not even be the best options for any particular situation.